Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Scorpio water sign. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. This is weekly reading for the month of October. So let's see your messages. Scorpio, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, King of Wands and Queen of Wands, Four of Cups. Let's pull some more cards, then I will explain. Three of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Six of Cups, the World, Eight of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Queen of Cups. What is your person energy? Let's see. Then I will explain the reading. Experience, Three of Wands, consciousness, Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, the Outsider, Five of Pentacles, and control, King of Swords. Two cards. Okay, I will take both. The Lovers and the Maturity, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, let's see the reading. So I think there is separation between both of you. Four of Cups. I think you are not offering the cup of love which is offered by your person. Scorpio, definitely you stand by your power. You both are strong couple, Queen of Wands and King of Wands. Definitely the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Scorpio, because Queen of Pentacles is you. You are giving so much. You are very caring and giving in this connection, but your person not. That's why you stand by your power, Nine of Pentacles. And definitely there is no collaboration between you and your person, but you still feel, even though you stand by your power, you still feel towards your person because there is a strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Your person now heartbroken without you because Three of Swords, and they want to work on this relationship because they realize you both, because they have strong emotions for your King of Cups. Definitely because your person feel like an outsider without you, and they want clarity and communication, and they want to communicate you because King of Swords here, the Lovers and the Maturity. Now they want to offer long-term commitment to you, the Lovers and Maturity. And Three of Wands, definitely they are waiting for the right moment. And Ace of Swords, definitely truth coming out, communication. Definitely they want communication with you. They want to communicate their feelings to you. They want to give clarity. That's they want you in their life, and they want to offer long-term commitment to you. Definitely they are waiting for the right moment. See here, experiencing. Definitely they are experiencing the loss because there is separation. You stand by your power, and you are not accepting the cup of love which is offered by them, Four of Cups. Your person also feels strong emotions for you, Six of Cups. Definitely both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. Now your person want to work on this relationship, Eight of Pentacles. It is slow but stable offer. So if you want reconciliation with your person, definitely your person want reconciliation with you, Scorpio, because the Lovers is here. You both have intimacy with each other. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. The World card is here. You both could be lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of earth energy and air energy is here, and water energy too. So your person want new beginnings with you. They want clarity and communication. They want to offer long-term commitment this time, Scorpio. So Scorpio, your person want reconciliation. It's up to you because you stand by your power. Now you want to work on yourself. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.